I know two types of students. Which one are you? Most students use AI like a calculator. They ask it for answers, they ask it to complete assignments, they ask it to summarize chapters. And then they wonder why aren't they learning anything? But the best students use AI differently. They don't use AI to avoid work. They use AI to improve their thinking. And that is a very important distinction. Because artificial intelligence is not magic, it is a tool. And just like a gym machine can either make you stronger or help you avoid exercise, AI can either make you smarter or make you dependent. The difference lies in how you use it. More specifically, the prompts you use. Today, I want to share some of the most powerful AI prompts that can help you become a better learner, regardless of whether you're preparing for UPSC, IIT JEE, NEET, CA, CAT, board exams, learning a language, building a startup, creating content, or mastering a new skill. Let's begin. Prompt number 1. Teach me like a beginner. Most students quit learning because a topic feels too complicated. The textbook is confusing. The teacher moves too quickly. The terminology feels overwhelming. This is where AI becomes incredibly useful. Instead of saying explain quantum mechanics, try saying teach me quantum mechanics as if I am a complete beginner. Use simple language, analogies, and real life examples. Do not assume any prior knowledge. This single prompt can save you hours of frustration. The goal of learning is to sound intelligent. The goal is to understand, and understanding always begins with simplicity. Prompt number 2. Turn yourself into my personal tutor. One of the biggest mistakes students make is asking AI for direct answers. A better approach is to ask AI to guide you. Try this prompt. Act as my personal tutor. Do not give me the answer immediately. Instead, ask guiding questions and help me reach the solution on my own. This forces your brain to think, and thinking is where learning happens. Remember, the person who struggles through a problem learns more than the person who receives the solution instantly. Prompt number 3. Create a personalized quiz. Most students spend too much time reading and not enough time testing themselves. But research consistently shows that retrieval is one of the most effective ways to learn. After studying a chapter, use this prompt. I have completed studying this topic. Create a quiz with easy, medium, and difficult questions. Ask them one at a time and provide feedback after each answer. This transforms passive learning into active learning. And active learning leads to better retention. Prompt number 4. Find weakness in my understanding. This might be my favorite prompt on the entire list. After studying a topic, explain it to AI in your own words. Then use this prompt. Analyze my explanation. Identify conceptual gaps, logical errors, misconceptions, and areas where my understanding is incomplete. Most students think they understand a topic until they try explaining it. This prompt exposes weakness immediately, and that's exactly what the top students do. They actively search for weakness before the exam does. Prompt number 5. Connect concepts across subjects. The highest performing students don't memorize isolated facts, they build connections. Suppose you're studying climate change. Try this prompt. Explain how climate change affects agriculture, economics, public health, migration, technology, and geopolitics. Or if you're studying artificial intelligence, show me how AI impacts education, healthcare, business, law, and creative industries. The more connections your brain creates, the easier it becomes to remember information, and the deeper your understanding becomes. Prompt number 6. Turn my notes into flashcards. Most students know they should revise. The problem is that revision often feels boring. That's where AI can help. Use this prompt. Convert these notes into flashcards. Include questions on one side and concise answers on the other. Prioritize concepts that are frequently tested. Now you have a personalized revision system. And because the flashcards are based on your own material, they are much more relevant than generic resources. Prompt number 7. Create a study plan. Many students know what to study. Very few know how to organize it. Try this prompt. I have 60 days before my exam. These are the subjects I need to complete. Create a realistic study schedule with revision sessions, practice tests, and buffer days. A good plan removes decision fatigue. And when you know exactly what needs to be done each day, consistency becomes much easier. Prompt number 8. Challenge my thinking. Most students only look for confirmation. Top students actively seek criticism. Use this prompt. Challenge my understanding of this topic. Ask difficult questions, present counter arguments, and identify flaws in my reasoning. This is particularly useful for essays, debates, interviews, entrepreneurship, and any field that requires critical thinking. The goal is not simply to know information. The goal is to think about information. Prompt number 9. Explain why I am wrong. Whenever you make a mistake in a test, don't just look at the correct answer. Use this prompt. Explain why my answer is incorrect. Identify the exact reasoning error and teach me how to avoid making this mistake in the future. Mistakes become powerful teachers when you analyze them properly. And top performers treat every mistake as data. Prompt number 10. Simulate the exam. This is one of the most effective prompts before any major test. Use this. Act as my examiner. Conduct a realistic mock test based on this syllabus. Ask questions at the same difficulty level as the actual examination. Evaluate my performance and suggest improvements. This helps reduce anxiety, builds confidence, and improves exam readiness. Now, before we conclude, I want to share the most important prompt of all. It is not a specific prompt, it is a mindset. Every time you see AI, ask yourself one question. Is AI doing the thinking for me, or is AI helping me think better? Because that single question will determine whether AI becomes your greatest learning tool or your greatest distraction. The students who succeed in the AI era will not be the students who use AI to generate answers. They will be the students who use AI to improve understanding, to challenge assumptions, to identify weaknesses, to practice more effectively, and to learn faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is not replacing intelligence, it is amplifying intelligence. And if you learn how to use these prompts correctly, you won't just become better at using AI, you will become a better learner. And that skill will remain valuable for the rest of your life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.